Hi, to charge your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5, as a first step we would need to take this cable which comes with this device. And now let's talk about it. So as you can see, this cable has two different sizes. The side on the right is Type-C and it's supposed to be plugged into your charging case. And on the left side we got USB Type-A, which we should plug into any source of power, which can be power adapter, USB hub, working PC or laptop, power bank, and more options. So I got already plugged cable here, and now let me show you how to plug it into the case. So the first thing is that the case should be closed, and after this we should just put the cable into this charging port, and this is it. The charging process has begun. Make sure that this indicator on the left from the charging port has light up. That means that the case and the earbuds are charging. If you are talking for how long it will take to charge them from 0 to 100, it's about 40 minutes. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.